Hey, good morning. My name is Jason Hawkins with openingbelltrade.com. Today is Friday, November the 8th, 2013. It's 9:26 a.m. We're a few minutes before the market opens here at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Purpose of this video is going to be to give you a demonstration of the opening bell trade strategy and how it works. What I will do is record the market open, and then we'll watch as the strategy enters into some positions, and we may even get to see a couple of our losing trades get stopped out, because our losing trades do typically occur pretty quick. And then what I'll do is, if we do have any trades that are still open that are possible winners for the day, I'll pause the video, because our winning trades do take a little longer to develop. It may be a couple hours, or it may be towards the end of the trading day today before we book our profits on any winning trades. So what you're looking at here is my TradeStation platform. I personally trade 4 symbols each day with the opening bell trade strategy. You're looking at a 5-minute chart on Apple, 5-minute chart on Amazon, and a 5-minute chart on Netflix, and also a 5-minute chart on Tesla. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pause the video for just a few minutes. I'll come back and record the opening of the market. Okay, we're about 20 seconds before the market opens here this morning on Friday, November the 8th, 2013. What you're going to hear is the opening bell of the market. If you have your sound turned on your computer, you'll catch that. There we go. So the market just opened. As you can see, each one of the charts, we've got some price action going on. What we do with the opening bell trade strategy is we allow the market to open, and we allow the markets to trade for about 5 minutes or so. We'll let this first candle close, and then this first candle is going to set up our trades for the day. So I'm going to pause the video real quick. I'll be back at 9:35. Alright, we're just a few minutes before 9:35 a.m. Just wanted to get back in here. What you can see is that each one of our first candles is still forming on Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Tesla. And what we're going to do is we're going to allow this first candle to close. It'll close here in about 5 seconds. And then we allow this first candle to set up our trade for the day. The strategy will both trade long, meaning buy long, or it will sell short, depending on whether or not the high or the low of this first candle is taken out. What you'll see down here in this bottom section here, this is my my order screen. So as an order is filled, you'll see the order populate down here. Now again, I don't hit any buttons. This is a fully automated system, and makes it easy to execute. So we'll see. Looks like Amazon's probably our closest to triggering here a long position. See if we can get some one of our orders to fill here for us this morning. Now what I do is I risk $500 a day trading Apple, Amazon, and Netflix. I risk $200 on Apple, $200 on Amazon, and $100 on Netflix. So on days where I lose all 3 of those trades, I should lose around $500. Some days it's a little bit more than that because of market slippage. But the good news is, I risk $2 on Apple, but I have a target of 10. So my winning trades are greater than my losing trades, which makes for a profitable system, even though you can be right less than half the time and still make money, because your risk to reward ratios are in your favor here. So I risk, like I said, I risk $2 on Apple, go for 10. I risk $2 on Amazon, I go for 8. And I risk $1 on Netflix, and go for 6 on Netflix. So risk 100 to make 600, risk 200 to make 800, and risk 200 to make 1,000. So I'm going to pause the video for just a minute. I'll come back once we get some of these orders to fill. Alright, so we just got filled on Apple. We are short Apple at 513.27. We've got a $2 stop on Apple. So if Apple trades higher to the 515.27 range, we'll get stopped out of this position. Looks like we just got filled on Netflix as well. We are also short on Netflix. We're short Netflix at 326.33. We've got a $1 stop on Netflix, so we run a little tighter stop on Netflix. If Netflix trades higher to 327.33, then we will exit our position, which it looks like we might get stopped out of Netflix here pretty quickly. We'll see if it trades higher. No. No trigger on Amazon. Amazon did take out the short, but we have a moving average filter on Amazon, which keeps us from trading against the trend on Amazon. For whatever reason, having this filter active on Amazon produces better results for Amazon. So looks like there may be no play today on Amazon. It did trigger a short position had that filter been off, but we'll have to see if it can take out the high there before we will go long on Amazon for the day. If we don't, then we will have no trade on Amazon today. Up in the top left hand corner here, it kind of gives you your running P&L. As you can see on Apple, we've been down as much as $38 today, as much as $52, with Netflix down as much as $85 and up as much as $80. So pretty well just flat on the positions for the day so far. Alright, we just got stopped out of Netflix. Look how quickly that happens. So we got stopped out of Netflix at 327.59. We lost 120, roughly 128, probably $126 because we have to take out the commissions. But so out of Netflix for the day. No more trades on Netflix today. Our only position is Apple at the moment, and we'll see if anything else develops on Amazon. Okay, I'm back with you. As you can see down here on the bottom, it's 10:17 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have been stopped out of our 2 trades for today. As you can see with Apple, we got in at 9:38. We were out at 10:11. We lost a little over $200 on Apple. Amazon never triggered today. So we didn't trade Amazon. Netflix, again, we were short at 326.33, and we're filled and covered our position at 327.59. So we exited the trade. As you can see, both of these positions that we were in, looks like the price action continued to move against us. So certainly glad we had our stops in place so that we could get out of these trades. So as you can see down here on the bottom, the P&L for the day was we lost $335.99. But you know what? I'm okay with that because I know that the strategy in time, over time, works. And one of the great things about Opening Bell Trade and the TradeStation platform is that you do have the ability to backtest the strategy. So for example, when you look at a chart on Apple, this is a 5-minute chart on Apple. Today's trade was a losing trade, but let's say I want to see how the trade had performed with these strategy settings over the last 6 months. What I can do is I can go up here to view the strategy performance report, and what that's going to do is that's going to show you can see at the top here, from May 8th, 2013 through November 8th, 2013, these are our results. I'll start here on the performance summary page. As you can see, In that 6-month stretch, we've profited, would have profited roughly around $3,300. And what's cool is when you look at how many trades, this is over 125 trade stretch, we were only right on 42 of those trades. So 33% of the time we won, and the rest of the time we lost, but we still made money. And the reason for that is because if you look here, our average winning trade is much greater than our average losing trade. So it gives you a rundown of total by month as far as profitability is concerned. As you can see, not every month do we win, but we are winning more months than we're losing, and our average winning months exceed our average losing months. So again, that's another profitable formula that you want to have in any good trade plan. We can also do the same thing on Amazon or any other symbol for that matter, but all you have to do is go up and view the strategy performance report. It'll pull the information on Amazon. Again, this is a look at a per month profitability basis. As you can see, we were over that 6-month stretch, we were right 3 months. We lost money on 3 months, but overall, again, we were profitable in the amount of $4,000. And in this particular scenario, our win percentage was a little higher. We were right half the time, a little over half the time. And but again, you can see our average winner still exceeds our average loser. You want to make sure that your average winning trades always exceed your average losing trades. That way, you don't have to be right as frequently, and you can still make money. So I hope this served as a good demonstration of the opening bell trade strategy. Wish I could have had a winning day here for you to show you, but we don't make money every day. We lose money some days, and we make money some days. But so hope you have a great day, and thanks for taking a few minutes to view the video.